Yeah, we are in the place to be.
Hey, what's up everybody? Acrylyk, aka Kyler in California here. Today, I'm going to be showing you guys how to clean your Adidas NMDs. If you're looking for a specific cleaning method or what items I use, check the description below for timestamps and links. First, let's take out our shoelaces. Oh, I almost got it. Got it. Next, we're going to put in our shoe trees. And here's what they look like before we start cleaning them. Let me go grab some water real quick. Got it. Squirt some cleaning solution in our water. And to start off, I'm going to use my soft bristle brush to scrub the upper prime knit. When scrubbing our shoes, we want to use short circular or linear movements to get all the dirt out of the materials. After the soft brush, I moved on to the medium brush to get the outsoles, lace closures, and heel cups. I'll show you guys how to remove scuffs from those heel cups later. Now, I'm going to take my stiff brush and scrub down the boost as well as the soles of these shoes. We're going to paint the boost later on in this video. I actually saw someone else use an electric lint remover to remove the lint from their shoe's sock liner, so I decided to give it a try, but there wasn't a lot of lint in these. After scrubbing down our shoes, we're going to put our shoelaces and both shoes in a laundry bag and take them to the washing machine. We want to wash these on cold, and I just use a Tide Pod for the detergent. Once those are done, we're going to take them out and not put them in the dryer because we don't want them to shrink. I just let mine air dry for an hour, and after they dried out, they didn't look too bad. Moving on, we're now ready to remove those scuffs on the heel cups I was talking about earlier. You can see a scuff right about here that we need to get off. I poured a decent amount of 100% acetone into a cotton ball and did the same motions I did for scrubbing the shoes down to remove these scuffs. To get our boost to that beloved off-white color, I mixed two different paints to achieve the color we're looking for. Instead of just using flat white paint, I mix a 5:1 ratio of flat white to cream paint for a classic off-white boost color. And we're gonna mix it up real quick. Let's get started painting. Or not, I forgot to prepare my shoes. Let's do that real quick. We want to make sure we get this leather prepare and deglazer on the areas we're painting before we do. I use an angular paintbrush for the boost because it gets into all the small spots we need to get into while painting. If you're nervous about painting the other parts of your shoes, you can always tape them off, but I didn't decide to do it for these. Oh, look at those details. We won't forget about you, top of the boost. We want to paint very thin layers of paint so we don't have any lumps of paint on our boost, and I did 2 layers on these, but each shoe is different, so I would paint layers until you achieve your desired look. And once I got done painting each layer, I heat set them for about 3 to 5 minutes. Look at the difference of the boost. I honestly think the white really looks good. Now for the other shoes. Some people talk about using an oil-based Sharpie to make their boost white again, but the paint and paintbrushes aren't that much more expensive and do a way better job in my opinion. And we're gonna heat set again. After painting the boost, I took my flat white paint and a round brush to get the little details we couldn't get from cleaning the shoes. I'm going to be customizing these shoes in a later video, so I didn't try to make them look dead stock, but if you guys wanted to do that, I would recommend grabbing some paint that matches the color of the logos and touch those up with a round brush as well. Let's put our shoelaces back on. And to finish off making our shoes feel new again, I'm going to show you guys an at-home trick to make them smell better. All we're going to do is pour some baking soda into a coffee filter, add a few drops of whatever essential oil or liquid scent you want, and tie it up with a rubber band. After about an hour of those sitting in our shoes, they're going to smell as good as they look. Here's what they look like after I got done fixing them up. I hope this video helped some of you guys clean your shoes, and you guys let me know what you guys thought of the video. Goodbye.